Welcome to Module 2 of our comprehensive cybersecurity course. Today we're diving deep into cyber threats and attack techniques, how hackers exploit vulnerabilities and what you can do to protect yourself. Let's get started. Cyber attacks come in different forms, and each attack targets a specific weakness in a system. Let's explore some of the most dangerous cyber threats in real life. This is why strong passwords and multi-factor authentication are so important. Did you know that over 90% of cyber attacks begin with social engineering? Hackers don't just target computers, they manipulate humans. For example, you receive an email from PayPal asking you to verify your account, but the link inside actually steals your login details. Always verify messages before clicking any link. Now let's talk about malware, malicious software designed to harm your device or steal your data. Rootkits are extremely dangerous because they can remain hidden for years. Network attacks target internet traffic to steal, manipulate, or disrupt communications. Always use a VPN on public networks. You might think you're on your bank's website, but it's actually a hacker's page stealing your login details. Now it's time for a practical exercise. We will use a free tool to create a simulated phishing email and test how easily people can be fooled. Remember, ethical hacking is only legal when done for learning and security improvement. Stay safe online and see you in the next module.